A fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is an improper fraction. And improper fractions have a value of 1 or more. A whole number plus a proper fraction is called a mixed number. Mixed numbers have a value greater than 1. We can convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Up first, let's look at the steps to write mixed numbers as an improper fraction. First, we multiply the denominator and the whole number, then we add the numerator, and then we keep the common denominator and simplify if possible. So looking at this mixed number, we're going to start by multiplying the whole number and the denominator. That will give us 8. We then add the numerator. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have 11, and we keep the common denominator, which in this case is 4. In our next example, again, we start by multiplying the whole number and the denominator. 5 times 9 is 45. We then add the numerator, 7. This will give us 52. So we have 52, and we keep the common denominator, which is 9. And in this case, it was negative, so we will make that fraction negative. The steps to write an improper fraction as a mixed number are: first, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is the whole number, the remainder is the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. We then simplify if necessary. For example, 23/9 is an improper fraction. Let's write it as a mixed number. 23 divided by 9. 9 goes into 23 2 times. Then 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract and we get 5. So the whole number is the quotient part, 2. The remainder, 5, is the numerator of the proper fraction, and the denominator is the denominator that we started with, 9. So we have 2 and 5/9. We can check our work by working backwards. Let's convert this back to an improper fraction. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 5 is 23. So we can check it by working backwards. In example B, we have 51 divided by 7. 7 goes into 51 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtracting, we get a remainder of 2. So the quotient, 7, is the whole number. The remainder, 2, is the numerator of the proper fraction, and the denominator is the denominator that we started with, 7. And we need to make this negative since it was negative to begin with. Keep in mind that we can check our answer by working backwards. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 2 is the original 51.